Michelle Hill, and I volunteered with the fire and police department. What I wanted to say to you is, hey, 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 how would you like to volunteer with us today?
Be ready to take in a lot of information. It is out there and it's very interesting, and there's a lot of things to do once you've taken the course.
Hey, there's more to it than me just sitting here. I want to try to make a difference and help out my community. They help me out, I need to help them out.